to have you back next week, but we're hoping that you're having a great time with your mom. And I hear you get to swim. That sounds fun too, so enjoy. But we wanted to show you what we're learning in math today to help you with exercise 25. So we're gonna chant. First, I'm gonna let you say hi to everybody. So I'm gonna do this. Hold on, you're seeing me here in a weird way. Oh, I can't flip it. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn this. Right? Yes. Everybody, as I turn this. Oh, this is really sloppy. Sorry. I can't really turn. Here we go. You can just wave hi. Hey. I hope you're on there because I can't really see what I'm doing. Okay, turn it back over here towards the board. Here we go. Ridley, we've learned a new chant, and we have it written here on the board, and the class is going to say it. Okay, ready, guys? Go.
Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down.
Again.
Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down.
One more time.
Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down.
Okay, so we're learning a pattern of how to divide bigger numbers. Let's see. Nellie, stand up, come up here, and tell Ridley that when we're dividing a number by 2, and the number is an odd number like that, that's an odd number, right? Because the last digit is 7, it's an odd number. What happens when we divide an odd number by 2? What will always happen?
There's always going to be a remainder 1.
There's always going to be a remainder of 1. Let's see if that's true. The class actually has cubes. They're going to take 17 cubes, and you guys are going to divide them into 2 groups, and we're going to see what they come up with, if that's true. Go ahead and do it, guys. Divide them. Divide 17 cubes into 2 groups. I'm looking for someone who has done it quickly. Andrew, do you have the answer? Okay, let's turn this towards Andrew. Andrew, what did you get?
I got 7 in each group.
You got how many in each group?
7.
Hold them up. 7 in each group. Did you have a remainder? Did you have a leftover? Wait, what was our number? 17. And you only had 7 in each group? Oh, that's probably wrong. Okay, Ruth, what did you have in yours? Do you see yourself on there? Okay, you have 8 in each group, and do you have any leftovers? Of what?
1.
She has 1 leftover. So I'm turning it back again towards the board. I'm so sorry that this is kind of like Mickey Mouse, but it works. Okay, so 17 into 2 groups. Ruth is right. You should be able to get 8 into each group. So we just divided 17 by 2. 17 by 2. Well, now we're going to test it by multiplying. We're going to put a little multiplication mark right there. And we're going to go 2 times 8 is what, class?
16.
Now we're going to subtract that number, and it is?
1.
Okay, so we have a remainder of 1. Now let's do a bigger number. Everyone get out your whiteboards for this. You won't use your cubes for this because it's going to be too many cubes. But we're dividing it by 2. So the first thing we're going to look at is if it's an even or an odd number. So I'm going to give you the number, I'm going to go 38. First of all, somebody tell me if 38 is an odd or even number, and how do you know? Juliana, nice and loud.
38 is an even number.
38 is an even number. How do you know that?
Because the last digit of that number
Because the last digit of the number
is even.
is an even number. Okay, now we're going to divide 38 by 2. So because it's an even number, Aylin, will it have a leftover divided by 2?
No.
No, it won't. It won't have any leftovers. Okay, so this is a big number, and it's hard to figure out that in our head. So we're going to divide it by dividing the tens first. This is our tens, right? It's the highest value. We're going to divide our highest value number. So, everyone, what number is that?
3.
Okay, how many times can 2 go into 3? We're going to divide it. How many times can 2 go into 3 without going over the number 3? Cora? It can go in 1 time. So we're going to put a 1 over the 3. Now we're going to test it. We're going to see if that's true by multiplying. So Ridley, we're doing our pattern. First we divided 3 divided by 2. It can go in 1 time. Now we're going to test it by multiplying it. So we're going to put a little multiplication sign right there. 2 times 1 is what, class?
2.
2. We're going to put the number under there because that's the number we're dividing. 2 times 1 is 2. In our pattern, it's divide, multiply.
Subtract.
So we're going to subtract now. 3 minus 2 is 1. Can we divide 1 by 2? Can we divide one number? Can I take this cube and divide it into 2 groups? No, it's too small. I can't put it into 2 groups, can I? It's just 1. So you can't divide 1 by 2. So we're going to bring down. That's the next part of our pattern. We're going to bring down. What do we bring down? What do we bring down, Lincoln? What number?
1.
What do we bring down now?
8.
We bring down our 8. Okay, we're going to bring our 1s down. Now our new number is 18. 18 is our new number. Can 18 be divided by 2? Yes, we can divide 18 cubes into 2 groups. How many times, Gwen, can 2 go into 18 without going over? How many times can 2 go into 18? If you divided 18 into 2 groups, 9. Let's try it. Let's put our 9 there. We're going to put it over the 8 because that's the one we brought down. And now we're going to multiply. So we just divided 18 by 2. We said 9. Let's test it by going 2 times 9 is what, everyone?
18.
It is. 2 times 9 is what?
18.
So we put our 18 there because we just multiplied. 2 times 9 is 18. Now we're going to subtract. What's 18 minus 18?
0.
0. Is there anything else? Are there any other numbers to bring down? Say it loud.
No.
No, there's no more numbers. There's 0 remainder. There's nothing left over. So our answer, our quotient, is what, everyone?
19.
19. Okay. Ridley, I hope that's enough. I think your mom can help you from here. But there you go. If you can do that for lesson 25, that would be great. Okay, have a great day.